Jenner and students. Today we will read about Anne Frank, The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. Yes, this is the diary written by herself. This is her autobiography. And she expressed her thoughts and everything, her experience on it. And first of all, before starting of the chapter, I would like to introduce something. I would like to show you video and tell me how you correlate with it with this chapter.
The German occupation of Prague, capital of Czechoslovakia, left no doubt as to Germany's intent on military conquest in Eastern Europe. On September 1st, 1939, a massive German force invaded and conquered Poland within a month. It was the start of the Second World War. In April 1940, Germany occupied Denmark and Norway. In May, the German armed forces attacked France, the Netherlands, Luxembourg, and under conditions of war and military occupation, the Nazi regime could pursue its political and racial goals with more radical measures. As German troops advanced into Eastern Europe, Germany's power extended over millions more Jewish inhabitants in the occupied lands, where German authorities could exploit existing anti-Jewish attitudes among local populations. Across Eastern Europe, German authorities forced those identified as Jews into tightly packed areas called ghettos. Separated from the non-Jewish population, Jews in the larger ghettos were imprisoned behind brick walls and barbed wire. German soldiers and police officials treated Soviet prisoners of war as subhumans, either shooting them or deliberately causing their deaths by exposure to the elements and by starvation. Left-militers did all they could to attend to the dead and to support the living. Those who survived faced the slow task of reclaiming their dignity and returning somehow to life. The Holocaust darkened the world's view of humanity and our future. As the world struggled to understand what had happened, a new word, genocide, was needed for these crimes. Crimes committed by ordinary people from a society not unlike our own.
Have you correlated the video of Second World War and with the story of Anne Frank? Have you connected it? Laziness might be attractive, but work gives satisfaction. This verse by Anne Frank. Anne Frank, the authoress of this book. Her birth date is 12 June 1929, but there is no confirmation date of her death. There is around February or March 1945 because they were hid due to the World War effects. She was a German Jew. The 12 years old Jewish girl wrote the diary of Anne Frank while in hiding with her family and 4 friends in Amsterdam during the Nazis' occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. After 2 years in hiding, the group was repatriated and transported to a concentration camp in Bergen, where Anne and her elder sister Margaret died of typhus in 1945. Her father, Otto, the only survivor of the group, found her diary and got it published in English under the name of The Diary of a Young Girl. This is an autobiography of her. This published in 1947. This expressed all her thoughts in diary. So let's introduce the lesson. Anne Frank was a young Jewish girl. She lived with her family in a German. But after the during the Second World War, when Hitler comes in a form, the Nazis party against the Jews. The Nazis were killing the Jews. As you know, Hitler have the great grudges against the Jews, and the forcing them to work in the concentration camp or the killing them. The Frank family fled from the Germany in 1933 and took the shelter in Netherlands. But in 1944, Germany attacked the Netherlands and captured it. And the Nazis started arrested the Jews and sending them to the concentration camp. And the Frank family somehow hiding themselves in and live there in business premises. But they live over there 25 months, and the non-Jewish friends help them to survive there with their food and with other important things. Anne has started the writing diary when she was 13 years old, and the diary gifted to her her birthday, in her 13th birthday, and she put everything over there, not about herself, not about her desires, everything what they were surviving, what their people were surviving, how they are hiding it one place to another place, and how they surviving their lives, that she put in their diary. That's why it's most popular diary among the all the characters, or among the all biography. And she and her sister and Margaret died soon in the concentration camp, but somehow her father survived. And when he found the diary of Anne Frank, he, as soon as when the World War II finished, he just gave it to the publishing for it. Anne gives a moving and in the diary, Anne gives a moving and tragic account of the difficulties faced by her family and other Jews. A part of the diary reproduced in this chapter is about the day when Anne was a schoolgirl, and she and her family had not yet moved to the secret quarters. In this lesson, the story concept is about the schoolgirl when the World War II not started, and that time the school timing of her is mentioned in this lesson. So let's continue with the chapter. Writing in a diary is really strange experience for someone like me. Yes, here Anne feels unusual or strange to write in diary about her feeling and experience. First, this is the first time when she started to doing it. She feels sad because she thinks in the future no one would be interested in the reading about a young schoolgirl's past. She thinks that a later evening she will not be interested in reading it. But then she put these thoughts away and decided that she should write it. She feels it, and what she want to do and what she like to do, that she has to feel it. She feels the need of write because there were a lots of thoughts she had been holding on to lately, and she needed to get them off her mind, and she just burst it out from the chest. She burst out everything from her chest, like whatever in her, and which she can't spoke to anyone. She just want to put everything in the diary. She make the decision of writing diary. Here the musing means is that a person who reflection of thought means the diary and her thought are reflected to each other. So this is the meaning of the music. Next part we will read in the next video. Thank you.